Everything's been easier than before with the birth of Chat GPT. It has created waves in almost every industry, even in the stock market. But did you know you can make an insane amount of profit by using it? Well, you're at the right place. Welcome to Finance Explained. Today, we'll teach you how it's done. But before we move on to that, let's briefly introduce the chatbot. In a nutshell, Chat GPT is a chatbot with artificial intelligence that provides information in a flash. It was created by OpenAI with Elon Musk's guidance and launched in November 2022. The key draw of this is that within a week of its inception, it had amassed over 1 million users. What, therefore, accounts for ChatGPT's large audience? The solution is that it converses with us in a human-like manner. ChatGPT offers information similar to how we converse with humans, unlike other search engines that only return search results in response to queries. So, you understand the reason for the huge fan base for ChatGPT? The results the other engines provide are just search results based on the most recent searches the engine has received for that particular topic. The chatbot simultaneously responds to our questions and provides guidance, just as if we were speaking to a buddy. This is all made feasible by ChatGPT, a platform for reinforcement learning that was created through regular human training. Simply put, the bot was trained to interact like humans based on an analysis of the zillions of public data points. It operates according to preferences. We praise excellent behavior and discipline bad behavior, just as we do when teaching children. I hope you all got an idea about how chatbots work. Now, we have a brief idea of how the stock market works. A stock market is similar to any other market where items may be bought and sold. As the name suggests, a stock market participant can purchase and sell shares. The stock market does, however, include risk, just like any other business. Consequently, if someone wants to start trading or investing, they should educate themselves so that they can succeed. If someone wants to trade, they need to understand technical analysis, chart patterns, price action, and psychology to be able to interpret other people's emotions while they are trading, affecting the overall price movements. So you must fully comprehend the fundamentals above in order to win in trading. A saying that comes along with trading states, "In trading, simple things always work better." Normal people are focused on advanced technologies, leaving behind the basics. This is why most of them fail in training. Also, you require a lot of discipline. You should consistently note down all your trades and try to learn from the mistakes that occur. Another thing to keep in mind is to be successful, sell yourself, and progress. Scaling up should be your goal. This implies that you should scale up your capital to, say, 20K if you're trading with 10K capital and can consistently produce 15% monthly returns for at least 6 months. Let's get into that amazing trading strategy we're all waiting for. The technique was tested using ChatGPT, which includes the super trend and ATR indicators. You could also develop your plan. Any chart you want to backtest must first be opened on the TradingView platform. Now look for a super trend technique on the TradingView's indicator icon and choose it. You can now notice on the chart that the super trend strategy is shown below. By investigating it, the approach turns into profitable 99% of the time with a 40% win rate. Going deep, taking short positions pays out more than taking lengthy ones. With this as the basic tool, let's try to improve the win rate of this particular strategy with ChatGPT. For that, we need to access the source of the super trend strategy. Click on the source code of the super trend that we have already added. The script should now be copied and pasted into the chatbot. Let's make some adjustments to the script before pasting. Let's raise the factory setting from 15 to 50. Copy this now, then paste it into ChatGPT. We will receive some instructions from the chatbot once we paste this into it. Among them, the volatility rule seems to be the most persuasive. Let's now include the volatility indicator. The trader will be able to avoid trades while the market is in a range thanks to this. Now we can ask our friend who is the most promising volatility indicator ever found. The output shows 2 filters. One is ATR and another is Bollinger Bands. We are asking our friend to create 2 scripts based on these indicators. The Bollinger Band strategy created by the bot has some errors, so let's skip that and move on with the ATR strategy. Copy the chatbot's given script and put it in the TradingView platform's source box. Save this code after changing the default value back to 50. You'll observe that the chart gets rather bad. Let's take out the last line of code to fix this. The chart now returns to its regular state. The profitability presented improved, as is evident. Let's ask the chatbot for more suggestions to boost profitability even more. As you can see, it recommended implementing the DEMA method. DEMA is added to the chart. To paste the source code into the chatbot, click on it. We now want assistance from the bot in developing our earlier plan for DEMA. Next, copy the chatbot's output and paste it into the TradingView's source section. The life of the ATR and DEMA will now be changed to 20 and 200 respectively, and we will start trading with the trend. Easy peasy, right? We've explained this in the simplest way possible. I hope you're keeping up. Also, show us your support by subscribing to our channel. Now, comparing our strategy with the previous one, we will realize that profitability has improved greatly, even though the number of trades is reduced. But a problem raised here is that the drop-down value has raised more than 50%. For this very purpose, with the help of the chatbot, let's incorporate an indicator for setting stop-loss orders. This could increase the profitability of the trades taken. A similar indicator called ATR can also be used, setting a stop-loss. The stop-loss will help the traders reduce their loss if they fall badly from our entry level. Search for ATR bands from TradingView and select them. A similar procedure of copying and pasting the source code in Chat GPT is done. Make sure that we are using the latest version of the script. After updating, we are incorporating ATR bands along with our strategy with the help of the chatbot. We can see some minor mistakes and we need to rectify them. Copy the code from the chatbot and paste it into the source area in the TradingView. Now make sure we're using the previously made settings to the code. Now provide options for short and long positions separately. From the code we pasted from the chatbot, there is no exit code, so we need to type that separately on the code. Our exit strategy will be when the price closes above the ATR bands. Now we are adding close all functions to the strategy. This allows us to exit from all other positions if conditions are met, either target or stop loss. The other order will be cancelled with the help of this. Now let's check for the results. We'll apply the super trend technique to determine whether a trend has been established. Another prerequisite is that the price and ATR must be trading above the 200 DEMA line. A deal will be conducted if all of these requirements are satisfied. The objective is to set above the top ATR band, and the stop loss will be positioned below it. As previously stated, if any target losses or stop losses are reached, the other order will be cancelled. Now, if the stock is in a downtrend, then the opposite condition needs to be true. So the price should be below the super trend to confirm a downtrend. Also, the price needs to be trading below the 200 DEMA level, and the value of ATR should be above 5. We are ready to take a short position if all these conditions are met. The target is set below the lower ATR band, and the stop loss is set above the top ATR band. The other position must be cancelled if any target or stop loss is hit, as in the previous case. In terms of the win rate, we can observe that it is higher than 60%. This win rate is respectable. Despite the relatively small number of trades with all these requirements, this method will enable us to enter trades with a high profitability. The net profit increases by more than 200%, as you can see. That price is astounding. We can decrease the dropdown and raise the win rate with the aid of this method. The net profit will rise to 600% if we fully implement the technique in the cash market. And now you're ready to jump into a trade with this strategy. I can sense your excitement, but practice paper trading and become an expert before engaging in actual trades. Of course, trading will leave you emotionless, but believe me when I say that you'll appreciate my advice later. With this, we come to the end of our video. I hope you all enjoyed it. So, see you in another video. Until then, bye.